What exactly is a mining pool? A mining pool is a method for cryptocurrency miners to earn rewards more quickly by banding together to split up the block's reward. For today's video, we will be going to talk about mining pool and crypto explained. What is a mining pool? Let's get started. What is a mining pool? Consider a dice with 50 different sides, except for one, the magical side. They're all the same now, and it has a special effects in which you get $1 when you roll it. How often would you roll that dice? You'd most likely roll it a lot. That thing could be sitting there printing money while you roll it. You could, however, roll it once and get paid. You might have to roll it 8 more times until you hit that magical square again, get paid again, and then roll it 140 times without hitting the magical side until you got paid the 141st time. Using statistics basically, we can say that if you roll it 50 times, you will win $1. However, this could take 8 rolls at times and 140 rolls at other times. Now imagine a massive magical dice. It has 500 sides, but it also pays you $10 for every magical side you hit. You'd still have to roll it 500 times to get that 10 rewards, even though it has the same average payout of about 2 pennies per roll. It will take you much longer to get that payout. Now, if you're rolling it all night, this isn't a problem. However, if you only roll it during your lunch break at work, you could be rolling that dice the entire time and not receive a single payout, or you could get lucky and win twice. Now imagine there is a mega dice with 5,000 sides, but it always pays you $100. Now multiply that by 10. Take this example and apply it to a dice with 500,000 sides. However, it pays you $10,000 whenever you hit the magical single side. So it's now essentially a lottery. Would you rather roll this dice or the standard dice with 50 sides? So even though they pay you the same amount on average, 2 pennies per roll, you want the smaller one because you will be paid more frequently. This is precisely what a mining pool is. What is proof of work? Proof of work occurs when a computer is incentivized to solve a complex puzzle by guessing and checking until the correct numbers are obtained. In the case of Bitcoin, you're looking for a random combination of numbers and letters that you can feed into a magical black box to produce a specific number of zeros. If you get the correct number of zeros, you win the lottery. And we say you solved that block, which will be added to the total blockchain. So solving it means you get the prize. We'll use Ethereum as our example. A block reward is currently around 3 Ethereum or $9,000 USD. You could figure it out on your own. But here's the problem. If you tried mining Ethereums with a standard personal computer, it would take you approximately 3,494 days to solve the block on your own. This means that you could solve it in 3 days or in 12 years. However, this is the average time it would take you. The issue is that we want to mine Ethereum and be rewarded for it right away, instead of playing the lottery. So we take a bunch of other people who want to mine and group them together, and they all work towards that block at the same time. The average time is reduced from 3,490 days to 2 hours. Then, when the group discovers the solution and earns the reward, they distribute it to everyone who has mined it, even if they were not the ones who came up with the successful solution. So those who work harder get a higher percentage, which is fair. The first question you might have is, what if we told them we were mining harder than we were? Because it would be very simple to write codes that told them we were working much harder than we actually are. For example, rather than mining at 30 mega hashes per second, we should easily write a program that informs the pool that we are mining at 30,000 mega hashes per second and then receive the majority of the block reward. So this is how they resolve the issue. Instead of taking a miner's word for it, the pools devise a clever solution. Let's say we need 20 zeros in the hash to solve the current block. So the pool will take any solution you find with at least 10 zeros and give you a share. So you start mining and find one with 10 zeros, one with 12 zeros, one with 18 zeros, one with 13 zeros, and one with 17 before someone else solves the block. Now, because these shares demonstrate that you are mining, we submit them as proof that we were working on a solution, rather than having the pool take our word for it. So, instead of being paid once a year, the purpose of mining pools is to be paid once an hour. Even if we are paid less, it is much more consistent, which is the advantage of a mining pool. You should also be aware that most pools charge a fee, something very small, perhaps 1%, to help support their development and pay for things like web hosting. However, it is something you should be aware of. So as we conclude this video, we hope you learned something useful. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to Metaverse for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.